fifth class children. How are you everyone? I hope you are all fine because you are all staying safe at home. Yes? Good. Next, today we are coming to bit part. Are you ready to listen? Good. Shall we start the bit part? Okay, once again we revise the before lesson. In first, you know everyone what is communicable diseases, what are communicable diseases and what are non-communicable diseases. Once again we revise that. What is the meaning of nutrients and what is balanced diet, what are carbohydrates. I think you know everything. Okay now, once again I am saying listen carefully. In nutrient meanings they are given to us here. Essential substances present in the food, it is the meaning of nutrients. Already I told to you. Essential substances present in the food. And another meaning also there, balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients in the right amount, right proportion. Okay, or food that contains all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals in adequate proportion is called balanced diet. It is the meaning of balanced diet. And the next is the deficiency diseases and non-communicable disease also. Disease caused due to the lack of nutrients in the body. Diseases caused ఈ డిసీజెస్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి కాజ్ డ్యూ టు ద ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ న్యూట్రియంట్స్ మన బాడీలో తక్కువ అవ్వడం వల్ల వచ్చే డిసీజెస్ అనమాట. డిఫిషియన్సీ మీన్స్ వాట్, ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ న్యూట్రియంట్స్, షార్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ న్యూట్రియంట్స్. ఓకేనా? సో సమ్ ఆర్ నాన్ కమ్యూనికేబుల్ దేర్ అండ్ సమ్ ఆర్ కమ్యూనికేబుల్ దేర్. నాన్ కమ్యూనికేబుల్ diseases that cannot be spread one person to another person, or diseases that cannot be spread from a sick to a healthy person. It is the non-communicable disease or non-contagious disease. Examples is beriberi, night blindness, anemia, diabetes, some like. Okay na? And next, communicable diseases that can spread a sick person to a healthy person. Diseases that can be spread one person to another person. It is a contagious diseases also. Okay now, so many different ways is there. Communicable diseases spread by so many different ways. What are there? By direct contact, by insect bites, by water, by food, and we have different ways. Okay na? And the another meaning is what? Vaccine. What is the meaning of vaccine? A substance that is put into the blood and that protect the body from a disease. A substance that is put into the blood and that protects the body from disease. It is the meaning of vaccine. Already we learnt about in our previous classes about prevention of communicable diseases. Once again I am telling, communicable diseases are caused by germs. Already you know. Some is necessary to check the growth of germs by taking proper and precaution measures. Next, how can we protect them from them? How can we protect from them? I am telling, the house should be disinfected regularly. Our house keep neatly, and our surroundings also maintain neatly. Why? It can cause dirty surroundings and dirty houses can cause diseases. And the next, drinking water should be clean and pure, because water should be boiled endukante it is causes also diseases. Use of water purifier or filters also make the water potable. What is the meaning of potable? Fit to drinking ante readyga తాగడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నట్టు అనమాట, బాయిల్ చేసి చల్లార్చినవి. The area around your home should be neat and clean so that neither flies nor mosquitoes can breed there. So dirty surroundings may be mosquitoes and houseflies can breed there. And the next, your drainage system also must and should cover your drainage system. And next, your doors and windows fit with wire netting. Fit with wire netting. And the next, children should be vaccinated properly against diseases. A vaccine is a dose of special substance to prevent a particular disease. There are some vaccines available for diseases. There are tuberculosis, diphtheria, hepatitis. Okay, na? Next, come to the today topic. Check the points. Concept check. Match the following columns. They are given to us column A and column B. Once again, column A and column B, you match with the correct word. First is the diabetes, malaria, jaundice, fourth one chicken pox, and fifth one vaccine. This side, A is prevents from tuberculosis, B is non-communicable disease, C is direct contact, D is caused due to insect bite, E is waterborne diseases. Can you write this one? Can you say these answers? Everyone must and should listen carefully because you can't listen. You not listen means you can't write able anything. You're not able to anything. Okay na? So that's why everyone listen properly. Do you understand? Once again I am telling, listen carefully. First is the diabetes, second one is the malaria, third one is the jaundice, fourth one is the chicken pox, fifth one is the vaccine. And column B is A prevents from tuberculosis, and B is non-communicable disease, C is direct contact, D is caused due to insect bite, E is waterborne diseases. First is the diabetes. Prevents from tuberculosis or non-communicable disease or direct contact or caused due to insect bite, waterborne disease. Diabetes ఎలా వస్తుంది? ఏంటి diabetes? Prevents ఇది tuberculosis కి prevents no. Non-communicable disease direct contact వల్ల వస్తుందా or cause insect bite వల్ల వస్తుందా or waterborne disease? Which one is the right? It is a non-communicable diseases. So first one you match with B. Diabetes is a non-communicable disease. Second one is malaria. Already B is completed. A prevents from tuberculosis. C is direct contact. D is caused due to insect bite and waterborne disease. Malaria caused due to insect bite. What is the insect? Mosquito. Female Anopheles. Okay na? Anopheles. Malaria caused due to insect bite. Jaundice. It is the prevents tuberculosis or direct contacts or waterborne disease. Jaundice is the waterborne disease. And chicken pox, direct contact. Do not share the cloth and utensils used to a person suffering from chicken pox. Okay, ne? Next is the vaccine. Vaccine is the last one. We have last one only. A prevents from tuberculosis. Do you understand this one? I hope you understand this topic. Next we are going to another topic. There are choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. An instant source of energy is. Instant source means energy giving food. Carbohydrates. Which one have carbohydrates? Sugar and starch. A. Water. B. Sugar. C. Fruit. And D. Green vegetables. So which one is the right answer? C. Sugar. An instant source of energy is sugar. And the second one is obesity is caused due to the excessive intake of obesity. What is obesity? Too much stored extra fat or carbohydrate. Excess fat or excess carbohydrates. A. Fats. B. Carbohydrates. C. Both A and B. D. Water. ఫ్యాట్ ఎక్కువ అవ్వడం వల్ల వచ్చేదా ఆర్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఎక్కువ అవ్వడం వల్ల వచ్చేదా ఆర్ బోత్ ఏ అండ్ బి, ఫ్యాట్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఎక్కువ అవ్వడం వల్ల వచ్చేదా ఆర్ సి వాటర్ ఎక్కువ అవ్వడం వల్ల వస్తుందా. ఒబేసిటీ ఈజ్ కాజ్డ్ డ్యూ టు ఎక్సెసివ్ ఇంటేక్ ఆఫ్ బోత్ ఏ అండ్ బి. Fats and too much fats can cause obesity or too much carbohydrates too also can cause obesity. Third one is the beriberi is caused due to deficiency of beriberi. A deficiency వల్ల వస్తుంది, ఏ విటమిన్ తక్కువ అవడం వల్ల వస్తుంది. విటమిన్ ఏ, బి విటమిన్ బి, సి విటమిన్ సి, డి విటమిన్ డి. సో ఆన్సర్ is విటమిన్ బి. It is a deficiency of vitamin B. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Fourth one is a communicable disease among the following is. A communicable disease among the following is: A. Cancer, B. Cholera, C. Heart disease, D. Night blindness. Which one is the communicable disease in these answers? A. Cancer. Cancer is a non-communicable disease. You know everyone. Okay. B. Cholera. Think and say. Answer. C. Heart disease. Heart disease is a communicable or non-communicable? It is a non-communicable disease. And C. D. Night blindness. It is deficiency of vitamin A. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. So it is also non-communicable diseases. So B is the right answer. Cholera. Cholera is a communicable disease. Fifth one is last one. Diseases like common cold or diphtheria spread through infected air, water, food, blood. Which is the right answer? Diseases like common cold or diphtheria spread through ఇన్ఫెక్టెడ్. వేటి వల్ల కామన్ కోల్డ్ ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది? వాటర్ వలన, ఎయిర్ వలన, ఆర్ ఫుడ్ వలన, ఆర్ బ్లడ్ వలన. ఎయిర్ త్రో ఎయిర్ ఆర్ బై ఎయిర్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద టిక్ ద కరెక్ట్ వర్డ్ అండ్ క్రాస్ ద రాంగ్ వన్. ఐ ఫర్గాట్. డూ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ అబౌట్ దిస్ వన్? Choose the correct answers. And now coming to the next topic. Let us see here. Tick the correct word and cross the wrong one. Carbohydrates are body building or energy giving food? Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Body building foods, proteins. Okay na? Proteins is a body building food. And carbohydrates are energy giving food. It is the wrong one. It is the right one and this one is the wrong one. And proteins or fats repair the damaged cells and tissues. Fats also carbohydrates. It is also energy of bank. So proteins is the right answer. Proteins repair the damaged cells and tissues. Proteins work enti. What is the function of proteins? Repair the damaged cells and tissues and form bones also. So proteins is the right answer and fats is the wrong answer. Third one is deficiency of vitamin A or iron causes anemia. ఏ డిఫిషియన్సీ, ఏ విటమిన్ తక్కువ అవ్వడం వల్ల ఆర్ ఐరన్ తక్కువ అవ్వడం వల్ల ఎనిమియా వచ్చేది? ఐరన్ మినరల్. ఐరన్ ఈజ్ ఏ మినరల్. సారీ, విటమిన్ ఏ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. Deficiency of vitamin A causes anemia. Iron causes anemia. And fourth one is typhoid is an airborne or a waterborne disease. Which one is the right answer? Typhoid is an airborne or waterborne? Waterborne. Airborne is a wrong answer. Waterborne is a right answer. Fifth one, vaccination is available for diseases like polio, common fever. కామన్ ఫీవర్కి వ్యాక్సినేషన్ ఉంటుందా ఆర్ పోలియోకి ఉంటుందా? పోలియో ఆల్రెడీ 6 years పిల్లలకి 5-6 years పిల్లలకి కూడా పోలియో డ్రాప్స్ వేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా. వ్యాక్సినేషన్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ ఫర్ డిసీజెస్ లైక్ పోలియో, నాట్ ఏ కామన్ ఫీవర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్. Fill in the blanks. See this here, fill in the blanks. A dash person is in a state of complete physical and mental well-being. Which person? Unhealthy person or healthy person? హెల్దీగా ఉంటే మెంటల్గా అండ్ ఫిజికల్గా హెల్దీగా ఉంటారా, లేకపోతే ఓన్లీ ఫిజికల్గా మాత్రమే ఉంటే హెల్దీ పర్సన్ అంటారా? ఏ హెల్దీ పర్సన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్? ఏ హెల్దీ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ఏ స్టేట్ of complete physical and mental well-being. And second one is, it is the healthy. Answer is, first one is healthy, second one is food with all the dash in proper proportion is called balanced diet. మన ఫుడ్లో అన్నీ ఏముంటే బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ డైట్ అంటాము. ఫుడ్ విత్ ఆల్ ద న్యూట్రియంట్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ న్యూట్రియంట్స్? న్యూట్రియంట్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ, వాట్ ఈస్ న్యూట్రియంట్స్? Nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals, these are all nutrients, substances in the food. Next, so answer is nutrients. Food with all the nutrients in proper proportion is called balanced diet. And the second one, third one, too much dash in our diet may cause obesity. ఏవి బాగా ఉంటే ఒబేసిటీకి కాజ్ అవుతాయి? కార్బోహైడ్రేట్సా, ప్రోటీన్సా, మినరల్సా ఆర్ ఫ్యాట్సా? కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్యాట్స్. ఏదైనా టూ మచ్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఆర్ టూ మచ్ ఫ్యాట్స్ ఇన్ అవర్ డైట్ మే కాజ్ obesity. So you write carbohydrates here. And fourth one is dash and dash help our body to fight against diseases. Vitamins and minerals, protective food because it is protective from our body, protect our body from diseases. So that's why vitamin and minerals we call protective food. Vitamins and minerals help our body to fight against diseases. And fifth one is the dash is a deficiency disease. Communicable or non-communicable? Communicable disease is not right answer. Non-communicable is a deficiency disease. Non-communicable is right answer. Non-communicable disease is a deficiency disease. And look at this here. Define the following in one word. Define the following in one word. It is tomorrow. We will discuss about this and match the column also. Give short answers also. Everyone write these answers. Give short answers. Only write the short answers. Name the 5 main components of food. What are there? Name the 5 main components. Nutrients names, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, like that. And what are the 4 things essential for being healthy? And what do you understand by a balanced diet? You write the balanced diet meaning. What are the main sources of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates, a food lo, which food contain more carbohydrates? You write the food items names. Why minerals are important to us? Endukani minerals manaku important? What do you understand by a disease? Name any 5 diseases. You write the diseases meaning and disease meaning and name any 5 diseases name. That is a communicable or non-communicable. Write any 5 diseases name. What is vaccination? You write the vaccination meaning. These 7 questions. I think you write. I think you can write because you are a good children. And match the following. Column A, column B. Cholera, cereals, proper posture, iron deficiency, influenza. And this side, column B side, A provide carbohydrates, B causes anemia, C communicable disease, and D waterborne disease, and E improve blood circulation. Cholera, waterborne diseases or provide carbohydrates or causes anemia. No, first one you match with waterborne diseases. D. Cholera is waterborne diseases. And second one, cereals provide carbohydrates. Cereals provide carbohydrates because cereals, green leaf vegetable contain carbohydrates. Proper posture improve blood circulation. We need proper posture because it is improve our blood circulation and keep fit our body also. Iron deficiency causes anemia. Iron deficiency causes anemia. So you match with B. Fourth one you match with B. Influenza. Communicable disease. So this one you match with C. Fifth one match with C. Once again I am telling. First cholera. First one match with D. It is the waterborne disease. Second one cereals. Second one match with A. Provide carbohydrates. Third one proper posture. Third one match with improved blood circulation. E. Iron deficiency causes anemia. Fourth one match with B. Third one, sorry. Influenza, it is the common communicable disease. Fifth one you match with C. Okay, now? Do you understand? Good. Thank you for listening. Everyone, bye to all.